Blaze Red EF here. So I'm just going to walk you through today about how you can restore these rubber bits and stuff. I've already started this one, as you can see, using the hood bumper and trim VHT spray paint. I have seen a couple of people do this on their cars and it brings back the rubber, the nice blackness. Basically it's transforming like all this sort of rough rubber and all that has come off over the years back to this nice shiny stuff there. That's still a part that's left from the original, but basically that's what we're trying to do today, is just put all that back to normal. And we're going to go so on this part all along these little bits here and on the other side, and eventually, not today, but eventually go around the windows and everything as well. So yeah, it's still a little rough and it's a matter of trying to blend in all those little bits that are still left after sanding, because it's as good as sanding is, it's not the best at getting those lumps and stuff off. So yeah, and now I'm just going to start the second coat. Yeah, we just finished with the second coat now. Alright, so we've just got to wait a couple of minutes for that to dry out, and then we're just going to go a third coat until we can get that filled up nicely. So all the coats for the tops of the door trimmings are done, so as you can see it's come up nice and black again. Something like that. I don't know whether I'm going to do another coat to this. I feel like I should, but I'm just going to wait for it to dry out a little bit and see how it goes. You can see the comparison to this side compared to this side. There's a big difference. Alright guys, it's currently a few days later. I didn't get to do it finish it yesterday because it was raining, so I still got to do the other side. But this is pretty much what it looks like after it's done. Gives it that nice darkness left. Might have to redo this one because it's still not blended as much there. So hopefully the other side turns out a bit better, but we'll see how we go. As you can see, I've got this side all taped up and ready to go. It's all sanded. This side's a bit smoother than the other side was, so hopefully this turns out all right. So just give it a little bit of a test. Yep, it's all good. Let's start off. Nice and slow, try not to get any runs in it. Alright guys, so that one is now all done. It's all freshly black, makes it look a hell of a lot better. It's still a little rough in some spots. Up here, it just needs a bit of a heavier sand probably, maybe with an electric sander or something. Not a thing that I'm too worried about at the moment, but it's up to you whether how picky you are with how you have things. All I really wanted was to get the color back in them, which is good. So I got that side done. And of course I've got this side done as well. So I think it looks much, much better. And then eventually I'm going to continue around with doing the front and the back. Alright, yeah. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope I gave you a helping hand with how to repaint your little sills and everything like that and bring the color back to them. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you want me to do any videos on a Falcon, just put them down in the comments and I'll try and make them. So yeah, take care and I'll see you guys in the next video.